Okay. So the question is why low trading strategy? Why not medium? Okay, why not medium risk strategy? So the concept of low risk trading strategy is uh, is because I've come to realize that some people actually want to go to heaven, but they don't want to leave the earth. Okay, some people like to go to heaven, but they don't want to leave the earth. Okay, some people like to use gold. Okay, but they cannot withstand seeing the heat, the processes that gold will pass through. So some people like to earn from this industry, but the reality on ground is that they are not willing. Okay, they are not willing to expose themselves to the risk in the industry. That's the issue. Okay, so I've been seeing quite a number of questions being asked in the crypto niche group on WhatsApp. I've been seeing quite a number of questions on Telegram channel, you know, and people ask, oh, okay, I have 100 USD, I have 1,000 USD. I like to trade um these financial markets, this crypto market. I like to trade it, but my problem is the risk factor. I don't like to expose myself to the risk so much. I don't want to lose what I have. I don't want to lose everything. So these are kind of questions like I kept saying. Why is that? What? When you're talking about the financial markets, okay, it's all about risk. You know, every morning when the market opens on Monday, it's all about taking risk. You know, and when the market closes on Friday, I'm talking about stock market and forex market. It's about taking risk. In crypto market, it doesn't sleep. It's available to everyone throughout the world 247. But even at that, okay, you are still taking risk. Okay. So we understand when people say they want to take low risk. And the realistic thing is that when you are taking a low risk, you should not be expecting high returns. Okay. When you are taking low risk, you should not be expecting high returns. Exactly. Okay. So that is basically how life is. So if you take the higher the risk, the higher the returns. Okay. The higher the lower the risk, the lower the return. So if you understand that, then we can proceed with this insightful conversation, okay, that you want to learn from me today. Okay, uh, this is a video I promised you guys since probably Friday or Saturday. Okay, and this is Monday. Okay, this is Monday, 27th of February. Okay, and as promised, I'm going to deliver. I'm going to deliver just that today. Okay, so all I want you to do is to pay full attention to things I have to teach you. Okay, pay full attention to things I have to teach you, and make sure that you watch the video till the very end. Make sure that you stick around. Okay, if you are watching right here, if you are watching me live on OB now, make sure that you stick around till the end of this live stream, to the end of this conversation. Okay, I said live stream because those who are probably watching on YouTube think that this is you know. So this is a live stream. Okay, whatever you're watching on YouTube, it's a recorded version of it. So if you want to be watching my live stream on OB, okay, I'm going to be leaving a link down below, so you can sign up. Create an account on OB. You sign up, then you'll be notified every time I'm doing live on OB. So that's basically how it is and how it works. So this is one of the coins. After doing a lot of research, this is one of the coins that I decided to take on. Okay, this is USTC USD. Okay, so for those who are not familiar with USTC, I'm going to be taking you real quick to coin market cap. This is a defunct. I'm going to say that this is a defunct uh, UST. Okay, this is a defunct UST, and I said it's a defunct UST because you can see there's a C after USTC, like a classic, USDC classic. And in this industry, whenever you hear anything classic, nothing is classic except that thing is dead. Okay, it's almost dead, kind of. Okay. You can see that we had Ethereum Classic, which is the former, which is the original Ethereum, isn't it? So you had Ethereum Classic. The new Ethereum that you are seeing now is, the ETH you are seeing is not the original one, is the new one. So then we had USTC Classic, okay, meaning that it is the old UST. All right, it is the old UST. That's the new of Classic. All right, that's the new of Classic. So now there was this terrified event that happened last year. Let me open this chart. Let me switch this to all. You can see that at some point it traded for 1 USD for a very long time, then got depegged. When it got depegged, it means that what was pegged to 1 USD later dumped all the way to 0.001, then about 0.002. Can you see it? Can you see it? So it got massively depegged. Okay, massively depegged. Okay, it lost its peg. Okay, when something is pegged to gold, for instance, now, and that thing is pegged to gold, is now trading at 1,000 USD instead of 1,800. Okay, that means that it has been depegged from it. Okay, it's been separated from it. So this has been depegged long time ago, and people lost several billions of dollars on this, because of this effect. So if you look at the 2022 history, this is something like, let me say, one of the biggest crypto scam in 2022. Okay, crazy event. Yeah, crazy event. I'll say that, very crazy event. So this happened. Quite a couple of people lost their capital. Quite a number of people lost interest. Okay, they felt hurt so bad about it. So, but um when event like this happens, sometimes you just have to look at the positive sides too. Because like I always tell people, there is no event that has a negative side that doesn't have a positive side to it. Okay. So the positive side is that if you go through the chart now, let me load this chart and go to like a weekly chart. Let me go to weekly chart now. Okay, this is a weekly chart. Okay, it got depegged massively, as you can see. Ever since, it's really been predictable. Like the price movement has really been highly predictable. That is the concept of trading a low risk instrument. It is highly predictable. Okay. So if you look at this now, you can see that um if you take your trend line, or let me use trend line. If you take your trend line now, okay, this is the lowest possible area for it. Okay, the lowest possible area. It has really been finding support at this range. Okay, at this level. Okay, if you switch this over, you switch this a little bit above it. Okay, then what you are seeing here is that it's been ranging along this line, isn't it? Along this line. And if you're going to say, okay, this is a realistic, if you draw your trend line here, okay, you might say that at this level, okay, let me adjust this correctly. You might say that at this level, it broke through the trend, isn't it? It broke through the trend upward, right? But this is when you're looking at it on a weekly time frame, you can see that it is bullish right now. Okay, it is bullish right now because it has been able to break out of this trend, isn't it? It broke out of this trend. So now the fact that it broke out of this trend means that if at all it is going to go back to the original price. So you're looking at price at this range. No matter what is happening in the market, okay, it's going to be hard for it to break this level, no matter what is happening in the market, isn't it? No matter what is happening in the market, it's going to be hard for it to break through this level. Okay. So if that is the case, what you're going to be doing as a low risk trader is to be looking at buy opportunities at this level, isn't it? So let me zoom that in so that let me zoom that. I want it to make sense to you. Where's the text? Okay. So buy area. Okay, so this is going to be your buying area. Okay, let me use an arrow. Okay, so this is going to be your buy area, isn't it? Then this is going to be your selling area. I'm going to clone that. So let me clone it. This is going to be your selling area. Okay, so what you should be doing now is that you're going to learn something that is called greed. Okay, but not greed in the relation of the bots. Don't worry, I'm going to explain all of these things to you. Okay, I'm going to explain all of these things to you. So as it is now, there is something called percentage calculator. Don't worry, I'm going to expose all of these things. There's something called percentage calculator. Okay, so one of the reasons I said that this is a low risk strategy is because you don't even need an advanced trading strategy to trade this. Okay, although I teach quite a lot of people how to analyze the market, fundamentally and technically. Okay, but for those who don't have that knowledge, you can still trade this market. You can trade this pair with rest of mind. Yeah, with rest of mind, with peace of mind. Okay, without having any cause for alarm. The reason is that I'm going to back this up with some fundamentals also. Okay, so that you know that I'm not just making some claims. I'm making claims based on some evidences that I have and based on my experience, my past experience in these markets. All right. So let me check the live stream. If you guys have any question on OB, you can always ask me whatever question that you have on OB. So now I'll be around to answer every of your question. Okay. Does anyone have any question yet? Okay, any question yet? So if you have any question, feel free to leave me a message in the OB live chats. Okay, and I'll be here to respond to your message. All right. So I've checked the message. I've checked the live chat. There's no message right there. So I'm going to continue with this conversation, with this training, this live stream. So now this is your buying area. Your orders should be here. Don't even need to have any of TA. Just okay. Let me go to CoinMarketCap to show you what I'm talking about. So there's something called percentage calculator. I think this is it. Calculator soup. Is it it? Is it this? Rapid tables, percentage car. Well, let me check this out. This is not. Is this even what is percentage of this? Percentage of from this. Okay, from this. Let me say from 2 to 5. Calculate. Well, that's 150% increase, right? Okay, so that's fine. That's fine. I've got what I need. This is a nice tool. Yeah, this is a nice tool. So now next thing I want to do is this. Just listen and pay attention to what I want to share with you. Look at the total supply. This is not the maximum supply, obviously. Okay, this is total supply, and this is the what's it called? This is the circulating supply, right? Now, if you go on Twitter, okay, and check out the updates on Terra Classic, okay, you can see that people are trying to build a community that will resurrect Lunar Classic, all right, and whatever efforts that they are making, it's going to spill over, even though they are not putting in effort to bring back USTC back to the peg. All right, but whatever the effort they are putting into, it's going to spill over to USTC. That's what I've this is what I've observed. If you discover that Lunar Classic is pumping, okay, this is going to follow it. It might just be like a few days gap between them. Okay, this is going to follow it. I've observed this a whole lot, right? So then, if you look at this total supply right now is extremely close to saturated supply. What I'm saying in the sense is that it's going to be extremely hard. Okay, you can screenshot this. It's going to be extremely hard to notice a jump, a surge, or a sharp increase in the total circulating supply. Okay, it's going to be extremely hard to experience a surge or a sharp increase in the circulating supply. It's going to be hard. Do you understand it? It's going to be hard to experience it. So if that is the case, okay, this can be said that USTC Classic, UST Classic is relatively stable. Okay, it is relatively stable. Now, when you look at this, let me see what has been happening here. Is it not stable? Okay, then see what has been happening here. Is it not stable? That is the common sense. All right, that is the common sense. Okay, so the only scary part of this chart, it is when it got the peg. Okay, that is the only scary part of the chart. When it what? When it's got the peg. Okay, when it's got the peg, that is the only scary part of the chart. Can you see it? So if you now find an asset that has proven to have a stable price for a long time, months since May, June, July till February 2023, then it shows a lot of potential that, okay, this is a low risk coin I can always trade. All right. So that is it. Now, let's now prove that a little bit further. Okay. Despite the fact that it looks like a dead project, it is still enjoying $17.8 million volume in 24 hours. All right. And when you look at the charts, okay, you can see that it's been enjoying some consistent volume. There could be some volume spikes. The volume is there. Okay, the volume is there. So when the volume is there, it shows that people are still somewhat interested in this, right? People are still somewhat interested in this project. Okay, it can actually be something they are willing to bet on for a long time. Probably like you trade, and you make some profit of it. All right. So that has been happening for a while, isn't it? Now let's have a look at the market data, the historical data. It talks about the open price and closing price. Now, let's assume that you have 1,000 USD capital. All right, you have 1,000 USD capital. That is what you have, isn't it? Now, our focus is going to be on the open and closing price. Okay, or we say low and high. Either of them is okay. The low price and the high price. The low price, the high price. All right. So yesterday was February 26th. Okay, and the low price was 0.27. Okay, 0.27. I'm going to paste this here. Okay, and the high price was 0.2834. Okay, I'm going to copy that and come to calculate it. I'll paste this right here. Okay, so that will click calculate. All right, so that is for that day. Okay, you've been able to make 1.86% for that day, isn't it? So now that's 1.8%, isn't it? So I'm going to open a Google Doc. I'm going to go to Doc. Okay, I'm going to go to Doc. So this is Doc. Let's say USTC. Okay, no, I'm going to say low risk trading strategy. Low risk trading strategy. Okay, if you want access to this Google Doc, okay, later on, where we're going to be documenting this stuff, you want access a link to it to check it. Okay, just let me know. Join the Telegram channel. Okay, and let me know that you want access to it. I'll send the link to you right there. So now, so I'll come here and copy this. Okay, so I'll copy this. I'll copy it and I'll paste it here. Okay, I'll copy it and I'll paste it here. So that is the one. Okay, then day 2, what's going to happen in day 2? That is 25, isn't it? So the I was 0.294, isn't it? So I'll say 0.294. And the low was 0.27, isn't it? 0.27. So calculate, what's that? Sorry, that was a mistake. Okay, now I'll copy this 0.29. So I'll paste it. That is 5% increase, isn't it? 5% increase. So if that is the case, so I'm going to copy this, okay, and add it here. All right. So you can just do this for 2 weeks. Then we extrapolate. Then the following day, the I was 0.234. Okay, that was even a mistake. So I'm going to copy this from, okay, I think this was right. Okay, so I'll copy this. So from the low 0.2634, now paste it here. Calculate. Okay, that is 11%, isn't it? 11%. So let me copy this. So I'm going to copy this now. And I'll go to the next one. Okay, just be calm. Okay, relax. Relax. So the low was 0.26 here. Okay, I'll paste it, and the high was 0.27. I'll come here, paste it, calculate it, 3.8. Awesome. Awesome. I'm going to copy this. I'll go to the file. I'll paste it there. Then 5. The low was 0.6, 0.26. Okay, 0.26. The I was 0.27. Sorry. The I was 0.27. Okay. So I'll paste it, calculate. So that's 6.2, isn't it? Awesome. Awesome. So I'm going to copy that. Okay. I'll go back to this. I'll go to the 6 rather. The low was 0.37. So copy it. You go to your percentage calculator, go to low. What was the I? 0.29. Incredible. Incredible. I like that. 0.29, isn't it? Calculate that's 6%, right? We're gonna say, I'm gonna copy it. I'll copy it. I'll say 6%. Then day 7, what's gonna happen day 7? The low was 0.276. Okay, so 0.276. Then I'll go to the calculator. I'll paste it. What was the I? 0.28, 0.028. And I'll paste it here and I'll calculate it. 4.1, 4.1, right? I'll paste it. Okay. Then this was this 8 day 8. That's the 8th day. We are extrapolating this data. Okay. So we're going to copy this from this price then to this almost 0.03. So okay, this is 4.7, right? Incredible. All right. So we're going to go to the low of this day. This is the low. Then this is the high. Okay, this is the high. All right, calculate 6.14. So I'll copy it. Now I'll paste it. All right. So this is another low I'll copy it and I'll check it out here. This is another I. Okay, I'm doing the hard work for you guys, and I want you to learn how to do it yourself. Okay, so I'm going to go to day 10. We're almost done. Relax, we're almost done. So this is the low for February 16th. I'm going to copy it. I'll paste it here. What is the I? The I is incredible. So same thing, I'm going to paste it here, then I'll calculate it. 11.6 again. And I'll paste it right here. This is 11. Now, we're going to go to February 15. The low was this. So I'll paste it here. Okay, then the I was 0.031. Awesome, awesome. So the I, 7.75. Okay, I'm going to go here. Then, we're almost done. We're almost done. So I'm going to copy this. This is the low for February 14th on Valentine's Day. And where is the I? Okay, this is the I. Okay, this is the I, which is 14 points. Wow, on February 14 gave 14 points. That is incredible, right? Then February 13th, what happened? So low was 0 points. Sorry about that. 0.026. Then the I was 0.032. This is going to be massive. Calculates 24%. Bam. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah, this is brilliant, isn't it? This is brilliant. Okay. So the next thing we want to do is that you want to take average. Average. So I'm going to go to Google also, and I will type tool for calculating. Let me see if I can find a tool. Calculating average. Awesome. Average. Let's see if you can have a tool. Average tool. So let's see. So we only need to type in it, copy everything right here. So I'm going to copy this. Sorry, Control Z. So I'll copy this. I'll paste it. Then there will be comma. Okay, I'll add comma to it. I'll go back. I'll copy this also. I'll add comma to it, isn't it? Yeah. So I'll go back. I'll add comma to it. Just be patient. We're almost done. I'll go back also. Then I'll add comma to it, isn't it? So I'll copy this. I'll add comma to this also, right? So on day 6, where is the comma? Yeah. Okay. So same thing here. So you just keep copying it and adding comma to it. You can practice this on your own. Okay, practice this. Practice it. Okay. All the tools are right there before you. Just use them to your advantage. Low trading strategy. Doesn't require any technical analysis. Okay. Plug and play. Okay. Plug and play. Okay. You guys should be giving this video thumbs up. Thumbs up. Share with your friends. Alright. Thumbs up. Share with your friends, your family and friends, your siblings, your sister, your best friends, your friends of friends. Share on WhatsApp status everywhere. Let people know about it. Yeah. Let them know about it. Don't chop alone. Alright? Don't chop alone. So you're extrapolating data for, yeah, awesome, awesome. So let's see if everything has comma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right. So everything has comma. Okay. Let me go through the instruction again. Please provide numbers separated by comma to calculate the average of the numbers. All right. So this is okay. Then we click calculator. Calculate it for us. So after calculating it, the answer is 7.9%. Okay. The answer is 7.9%, approximately 8%. Do you understand it? So what it means is that if you are buying high at the high price and you are selling at the low price, all right, then you're going to be making 8% profit in 14 days. All right. So if you multiply this by another 14 days, which is approximately 1 month. Okay, because 14 days is 2 weeks in a week. All right, it's 2 weeks in a month, right? So if you multiply that out, that will give you, if you multiply this, let me copy this. Where is calculator? So if I should paste this here, multiply by 2. Okay, that's 15.9% profit. All right. So then 15.9% of, okay, so 15.99%, sorry, divided by 100, isn't it? Then multiply by 1000. So if you are trading this pair with just $1,000 capital, okay, then you should be making at least, okay, if you know what you're doing, you should be making at least 160 USD every month. Every month. All right. So if you make this for 1 month and you multiply this by 10 months, then you've done $1,600 in 10 months. It could even be more, okay, depending on how often you trade it. So all you have to be doing, now let me go back to the charts. You can see that it is always ranging at 0.031, 0.03, 0.028. So at that level, set your buy order 0.028. Let your order be there. 0.027, order should be there. 0.026, order should be there. 0.025, order should be there. So just spread that order. Okay. If you are trading with 100, if you are trading with 1,000 USD, okay, all you have to do is to use $100 to set order, or you can use 200 at different levels, 200 different levels, 200 different levels. So you can now set your take profit to be, because you can see that the average right there, is 7% in 1 month, isn't it? So let your take profit be between 3%, and because you can see from this chart, okay, you can see there is hardly a day that this does not actually provide 3% profits. All right. So you set 3% target every day, 3%, 3%, 3%. So if you are doing 3% of $200, okay, that is, you are making $6 every day. $6 every day. Okay. And there are some days you're going to make more. All right. In the real sense, this is just theoretical. There are some days you're going to be making more. So if you are making $6 every day, all right, and you make it for 10 days, that is $60. If you make it for 30 days, that is $180. And I can guarantee that there are some days you're going to be making more. So if you are serious with this strategy, okay, you should be getting consistent 200. That is 20% ROI by trading the sports market, not even futures markets. And I can tell you that your results will actually beat the result of some guys that are actually doing what's it called, futures trading. Okay, so that is okay. That is the strategy I'm putting in your hands. Okay, there are more of these points that I'm going to show you if you join the boot camp. That's the truth. Okay, that can even perform even better, can even double your funds in few months. Okay, so that is it. But this one I've given to you, go and apply it. All right, go and use it. Make the best use of it. Okay, and next time I want to be seeing your testimonies, come back to the, if you are watching this on YouTube, come back to the comment box and come and drop your testimony, your reviews, your feedbacks. Okay, come back to the Telegram channel, drop your reviews, your feedback, to show that you appreciate what I've taught you. Okay, yeah. You're not just an ingrate. All right. So, and if you're watching this on OB Live, come back to OB Live, drop a comment in the live chat, in the chat box that, oh, man, this thing you taught me is actually working for me. Okay. What you taught me is what is actually working for me. Okay. I want to see that feedback. I want to see it. All right. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's live stream. Let me check if you have any question before I go. If you have any question, feel free, feel confident. We are here for you. Feel confident to ask me. Okay? Be confident. Ask me your question. I'm here. I'm here for you 100%. Okay? Be confident to ask me your question. I'll be here to answer it. All right. So now let me invite you guys to the Crypto Niche channel on Telegram. Okay? This is where it is happening. Okay? Where it is happening right now. All right? So this is the Telegram channel. Okay, and as you can see, it is growing real fast. It is growing real fast. Okay, so this is where I drop the odd updates. I published a detailed article on, okay, let me say USTC. Let me search for USTC in the channel. USTC. Okay, USTC, where is it? Okay, yeah. I did I gave a detailed articles or something like that. Okay, can you see it? Can you see it? So I've been dropping consistent information right here. Okay, right here on the Telegram channel. So if you want to be a part of this success, okay, I recommend that you go to your Telegram. Go to Telegram now. Okay. Then this is the Telegram search box. This is search box. So you use the search box and use ads. Okay, how to join it? Okay, use ads. So ads, something like this. At crypto niche underscore hang out. All right. Then search for it at crypto niche. So it's gonna this is a public channel. Okay, it's a public channel. So once you search with this, okay, underscore rather, not underscore, yeah. So once you search with this, then the channel will pop up. Then you'll be able to see it. Okay, you'll be able to see it. Okay, so this is it right there. Okay, can you see it? Crypto niche, just search for it right now. Crypto niche underscore hangouts. So if you are watching this on YouTube, I'm going to be providing a what's it called? I'm going to be providing a link, a direct link that you can use to join this channel. Okay, I'm going to provide a direct link that you can use to join this channel. That is if you are watching on YouTube. All right. So that's it. That's it. Join the channel Crypto Niche underscore hangout. That is the official channel for the Crypto Niche YouTube channel. Okay, for the Crypto Niche channel on YouTube. So if you're also watching this on YouTube or wherever you're watching it from, okay, go on YouTube right now because I'm going to be uploading a replay. I'm going to upload a replay of this video to the channel. Okay, so go on the channel and do what? When you get to the channel, all you have to do basically, is to search for Crypto Niche. Okay, search for Crypto Niche channel on YouTube. That's all. Okay, then hit the enter button. So when you hit the enter button, okay, now yesterday we had 1,500 subscribers. Today we have 1,511 or 512 subscribers. So now it is growing. Like this is a fast growing channel, man. Right? So click on this. Okay, then you'll be able to see all of the videos that have been uploaded. those videos that you can watch and it's going to add massive value. I mean, massive value to your life. All right. So subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell, and also I have a gift for you. Yeah, I'm not kidding. I have a gift for you, and the gift is in the playlist. Okay, so when you check the playlist right here and you scroll down, okay, scroll down, yeah, then you see a beginner's course. If you're a beginner in cryptocurrency, I know I got you covered. I got you covered 100%. If you're a beginner in cryptocurrency, all you have to do is to open that playlist. There is a full course. This is the course. Introduction to cryptocurrency for beginners. What is crypto? There is a full blown course for beginners that you can take. Just take your time. The videos are short videos. They are short videos. Just take your time and watch all of those videos. Okay. If you have any question, ask me in the comment box. Okay. And usually when I upload the video, I always share link to the Telegram channel. Okay. I always share link to the Telegram channel. So just click that link, and join the Telegram channel. Ask me any question that you have. Okay. I'm always online 247. Okay. To answer any question. So I'm not sure if you have any question on OB. Also, ask your question in the comment box now. Okay, in the comment box. Okay, so don't forget to follow me if you're watching on OB. Don't forget to follow me. There's a follow button at the top of this live stream. Hit that follow button right now. Okay, and follow me on OB. Okay, check out my previous check out my previous live streams on OB and begin to watch them one after the other. All right, begin to watch them one after the other. And can also join my community. We have close to 6,000 members in my community on OB right now. Join that community also. Okay, so that is that for today's live stream, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Have a fantastic day.